I don't know how else to say this, but your strategy needs to be simple. What's up, guys? It's your man Tricky T, and I'm an artist trading forex to fund my music, and the goal for this year is $100,000. Come with me on this journey. If you're new here, like, comment, subscribe, and let's go. Now listen, guys, right? The one thing that I have studied that, all the successful traders that I know, right? The one thing that they all have is the fact that their strategies are pretty simple. Like, they're very simple strategies. Like, I just checked it out. Like, every one of them that I have seen, they have very simple strategies, guys. It's like they don't do much. They don't do anything spectacular. They just know that, okay, if this happens, I buy. If this happens, I sell. That is what all of them do. They don't complicate it. And I've noticed that when starting out, it happened to me too. I used to always want to look for too many complex things. I'm looking for this, I'm looking for this, plenty indicators and all that, but as I'm learning, because I am still learning, I noticed that my winning trades happen with simplicity. Listen, the market can either go up or go down. That is where it will range, So have a strategy that is simple, that you can just know that when this happens, I will buy. When this happens, I will sell. Simple. Once you can get that down to a science, then start repeating that strategy over and over again, even though, of course, you take some losses for a period of time, profitability would come. And another thing I'll say is that profitability will not just come immediately, you understand, because you change the strategy. You change the strategy and then implement strategy for a period of time to now see the profitability. So guys, without, no need to complicate things, trying to, put too many things, probably get too many indicators and all that. Indicators are okay, good to use them. I just even did one myself. I talked about, that I'm testing too. But the idea is to keep it simple. I think the simpler it is, the higher the chances of you succeeding long-term in forex. It's something that all the great traders have cracked. So I'm not going to tell you which strategy to choose. You will decide a particular strategy that works for you. But the idea is, let it be simple. 1 or 2 or 3 parameters. Once those things, are met, you go with it. One strategy, you see that it probably has like a 60, 70, 55% win rates, just go hard at it. And that is the one thing that I have known, or rather that I have discovered, and I hope this helps you guys. If you're new here, like, comment, subscribe. Until I come here again in the next video, let's all stay profitable. Peace out.